What is up, guys? It's Shamsi here with another video, and today we have a package from eBay, and basically the part number there. This is basically an oil catch can. Now, why do you have it if you ain't got a turbocharged vehicle? Shut up, bruv. It works, right? Because my PVC valve is fucked, mate, and I need a catch can to catch the oil. Because when I did my inlet manifold video, it didn't really turn out good, because inside was bare oily, and this probably could help with that. So anyway, let's crack this open. Boom. So in it, what is this? Yeah, you can pause it if you want to, but that's what you get in it. And we got the catch can. We got some hardware. We got some clear hosing for it. It actually looks pretty good. And then the main event. Wow, this is kind of heavy, you know. Shit, it's got a bit of weight to it. How do you? I don't even know what I'm doing. What's this? Okay, yeah, this is the catch can. I'm basically going to show you when I figure this out. So basically now, you get this little mounting bracket, and then let me turn this off. Basically, you get this little mounting bracket, and essentially this little part here, this is where the oil, this is how you flip in, this is how you drain it. Obviously you can see that there's like a little O-ring up there, little sideway indication that will let you know how much oil is in there. So when it gets up to here, empty it. And then other than that, we have two different types of universal ones. So we got this one here that should fit over this. Yeah, it should fit over like this, and then you use the little clamps that comes with it like this, and then you just tighten it up. But yeah, then you also got this one. Now this is if you got a bigger type fitting hose, or whatever you call it. As you see, there's two separate ones. Can you see the difference? This one's thicker and this one's much more thinner. So this works with the hose that comes with it, and this is for like a bigger hose. If you're running bigger power, this is essentially what you need. Yeah, overall this is basically the oil catch can. I've got to screw this in. I'm gonna set it up in my car first and then guide you on how to do it. And if you've got a Clio 197, just stick around to the end and I'll show you how I managed to do it, or where I decided to put it. Okay, so yeah, let's go. This is my engine bay. Basically here is where this is like a little mini catch can, what you get from factory. In this part now, you can see all this oil that gets recirculated back through the intake manifold. So what I did, for all people that has a Clio 197, you have this rubber hose that comes out from this crankcase here, and then it goes to your little mini catch can, and then it goes into your PCV valve. So what I did, I cut it, and I used a hose that comes with the catch can. Just go all the way up to here, because this is not long enough. So what I then did was I cut it, and then I shoved this in here and right there, and it's a perfect fit, but it's just temporary until I can find a bigger hose that will cover this, and I can go over this as well. And this is the spot that I'm choosing to leave the catch can at. So it's easy to get to. You just unscrew it, you just pull it out when you just need to, like so. You just push it back in. It's being secured by the hose, the battery, and the air box. So all in all, it's a pretty simple install. It looks good. If you're gonna color match it, get the right hoses, but yeah. Okay guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Ignore. Anyway, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Couldn't stay outside any longer. Fucking boiling, mate. Fucking boiling. Fuck, you know. But then shit. It's so hot I can't even speak, bro. Damn. Forgot what I was gonna say. Anyway, please like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your friends, and I hope this video has helped you in any way. I know I'm gonna see comments and dislikes like, oh, why would you do that? Guess what, guys? I don't really care. But anyway, I still hope this helps you guys. If you guys want to go do it, you can go do it. Because the factory one on the Clio 197 is basically doo-doo. So if you get to this one, it's a lot more better, in my opinion. But anyway, yeah, it's Shad decided out. Peace.